Want to make money online? AI can help. AI is changing how we earn. It's a powerful tool for everyone. Discover how to use AI to boost your income. It's time to explore the exciting world of AI and online earning. Learn how to use AI to your advantage. Get ready to unlock new opportunities. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. Think of it as a smart computer program. It can learn and solve problems. AI is like having a digital assistant. AI can process information quickly. It finds patterns we might miss. AI helps us make better decisions. This makes it a valuable tool for online business. AI can help you make money in many ways. Use AI to write better content. AI can also analyze data to find winning products. Even stock trading can be improved with AI. AI tools are available for every budget. Some are free, while others are paid. Start exploring and find what works for you. Using AI can be a game changer. It can save you time and effort. AI can even help you earn more money. But remember, it's important to learn and use AI responsibly. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. Embrace the power of AI and start building your online income today.